Hello, my beautiful followers. Today is Monday, January 20th, 2020. Hot Dog 2020. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you. But please do me a favor, go down below, subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so you can get the notifications of my informative, fun videos. Like, share, and comment. They're all greatly appreciated. Guys, I'm trying to build my subscribers, and these videos are something that's near and dear to me. For I'm an MS warrior, and I get to explain my story as well as help others and give vital information about the disease. These are things that happened to me, and these are things that I went through. So I'm not a doctor, but what I tell you happened to me, happened to me. I tell you what was done, how it happened, how did it end up. So just please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. And please, if you know anybody that's going through these conditions or these things, please reach out to them. Tell them get themselves checked. See a neurologist or a doctor. Even send me a comment, ask me a question. I use most of my information comes from the National Multiple Sclerosis Society, and then my neurologist, and then my pharmaceutical company, the nurses that call and check in on me. So all the information is available. The resources are there. Just please be careful when you're on the internet to not go out and just put something in the system, because you know there's a lot of hungry people out there that's trying to get whatever they can from you. So if you search MS, all kind of stuff comes up. Do you need a this, that, and the other? Just don't trust the internet unless you're going to the viable sources, which the National Multiple Sclerosis Society is the best place to go to. WebMD is another good resource, and the Mayo Clinic is becoming another viable resource. And that's only because when I first got diagnosed, that was the one thing that the doctors told me. Don't go out there, before I got diagnosed, don't go out there and research on Google MS on the internet, because that will freak you out. So just wait. If you're going to do anything, go to the National MS Society, because their information is valid. Okay, so with that being said, this weekend was a great weekend. I hope you had a great weekend. But I did something that was very therapeutic to me. It was very helpful for me. I did a vision board party with my family. And I'm going to show you my board. And then I'm going to explain my board real quick with you guys. But again, everything that I do on this channel is very therapeutic to me. And in case you don't know, with any disease, MS or any disease, the number one factor that kicks in, that gives you a flare-up or worsens your condition, is stress. Stay away from stress if you can. Relax, relate, release, because stress is the one that will give it to you. I found that I think that my MS lay dormant in my body for years and years and years, only because I can remember back when I was a younger child, the things that happened to me were symptoms of MS. Now, they didn't diagnose children with MS at a young age, and I think they are now starting to diagnose the younger generation, simply because I got a update on Gilenya, one of the MS treatments, that they are now giving those dosage to adolescents, 13-year-old or something like that. So they now actually are opening up, saying that, hey, yeah, this MS epidemic is something huge. It is affecting not only adults, and they are finding ways to test the younger kids to see if they really actually have MS. So with that being said, stress. Relieve yourself from stress, because my MS lay dormant in my body for over 30 years. And then when I had my last job at the big bank, that stress was hellified. And all of a sudden, all these symptoms just started coming, and would not stop. Back in the day when it happened, it was just like sporadically. Oh, it happened, and it was done and over with. But at the bank, I had every symptom of MS while I was working at that bank, and it actually hit me hard. It was like boom, 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 you have MS. So get yourself checked. So again, we had a great weekend. I did my vision board at the vision board party, and I hope this is something that you can see. Now I can't see you, but I'm just gonna My board, I'm just gonna go because I'm not far enough for you can see. I'll stand up so you can see it, but I'm gonna just tell you about my board. My biggest thing for 2020 on my vision is, of course, eattolivestrong.org. That's my my nonprofit organization, and of course, giving back is something I always want to do. Give back to the community, to those that are in need of support for a cause, which MS and a couple of other causes that I put on my website that I am catering to. But my biggest one is that MS. I will knock MS out. I will knock out MS this year. I'm an empowered woman, a warrior of MS. There's no excuses. I will never stop. I will never quit. Okay? So that's part of my vision board. And then the other part, which is going to be, oh yeah, this is cute. This is my big one here. I will save money this year, and I'm trying to save, in addition to what little change I can save now, but this is my goal, to save $25,000 this year. Because my treatments cost a lot of money. And if it wasn't for the grants that I received from the pharmaceutical companies and whatnot, oh my gosh, I don't know what I would do. But this is always something to have, because for MRIs and treatments and doctor's visits and things like that, this will come in handy for me to have instead of me having to put it on a credit card. So that's the thing that I'm trying to do, is save money, because you never know what's going to happen in the future. Okay, this is my next vision, and that is for me to go ahead and finish my clothing line that is catered to those that are disabled. Now, in case you didn't know, I'm coming back to you. With MS, some of the things, the weirdest things happen, and that's when I decided I wanted to do a clothing line. The one thing that happened to me is when I'm trying to put my pants on, you would think, you put one leg in at a time, or your underwear, or your pantyhose, or your boxer shorts, guys, or your gym clothing. It's like your legs do something just so totally crazy. You're like fighting yourself to put your own clothes on. So I'm trying to make a clothing line that's nice, it's comfortable, and it's actually, hey Mac said hey y'all, but I want to get clothing line that is easy for us to put on, but it's stylish, because what they give us is those cooling towels. You have to wet them to activate the beads and keep you cool. But why not find something that is better for us, that looks nice? So that's the other thing I want to do, is work on finishing my clothing line. I do have a GoFundMe account for that, so I'm working on that. I'm back to the board here. The outward appearances. Okay, for years, I'm not working, so I didn't have a need to dress up to go to work. And even when I was working at the bank, I hated that job so bad that it didn't even matter what I wore. So my appearances, my outward appearances, of course, inside I'm gold. I'm a jewel. I'm good on the inside. But what you see on the outside, which you don't really think about the outside, the shell. But if I can make myself look better and feel better, I'm going to do that. So this year, I'm going to put on a little lipstick and the eyes. I didn't do that today, y'all. Shh. Do the makeup, the eyes, keep the hair done, and wear nice clothes. So that's make me feel a little bit better than a slob going out to the store or whatever. So that's my goal for this year, is to take better care of myself inside and out. My next thing, of course, is to vacation. I'm trying to do a vacation every other month. I'm going to stand up now, but I'm going to try and do a vacation every other month. So now you're just going to hear my voice so you can see my board and I don't have to keep coming and going. My next one, of course, is YouTube. My YouTube channel. I'm going viral, y'all. Viral. That's my goal this year. I'm going viral. And then here, I am going to complete my book. I have my release date coming for September 24th, which is my birthday. And it's called Breaking Through All the Barriers and Winning. That's going to be my book. Don't give up. A little progress each day adds up to big results. I'm going to be in contact and share my story through all of these avenues, plus out into public speaking. Twitter, YouTube, whoop whoop, YouTube, Instagram, oh, that's Twitter there, I'm sorry. Twitter, Facebook, all of those. And again, here I'm going to do more meditation. Eating well. Now, I am vegan, but I can eat better. So eating well and a healthy eating, make healthy a habit. Absolutely. Amen to that. But also be the boss of your body. Healthy living, exercising. And then, of course, eat to live strong. Not only am I going viral on YouTube, but my website and giving back is going to be part of my goal for this year. And then, not last but not least, never stop dreaming. So all of these are my goals for 2020. Of course, there are more goals. Smile more, work your butt off. So all of these things fit in my goal. And I'm coming back to you now because I'm gonna end this video shortly. But with that exercise that we did this weekend at the vision board party, it was very nice. I had the opportunity to fellowship with my family. I hosted the party with my sister and my cousin. I had two other cousins that were hosts, but they couldn't come because of unforeseen things that happened. But we got a chance to fellowship with the family. We had fun. We laughed. We talked. We sang. We danced. We munched on snacks. So it was really nice to hear each other's board what our vision was, so that we can actually, when we talk to each other, and if somebody said that they want to travel each month, every other month like me, I want my family to call me and say, hey, where you going this month? You said you were going to travel every other month. Where are you going to go this month? Oh, you said you're going to work out every day or every week, or you're going to lose X amount of weight. Where are you going to go? Where have you gone? What are you doing? Did you work out today? What'd you eat? Did you go grocery shopping? Did you get your fruit? Did you get your veggies? Things like that. So we want to hold each other accountable. Not only will that board hold me accountable for my own actions, but to have another set of hands and eyes that love you to say, hey, you said you want to do this. Let's do it, sis. So the vision board party was very relaxing. It was fun, but it was I was so tired. But it was fun. Anything I do now, if it's more than just, small things that I do around the house every day, it's tiresome. I get really tired easily. But I pushed through it, guys. I did it. Now, the vision board was a good thing for me. Talking to you guys on my channel is therapeutic. Being around family, that's another thing. You didn't see it on my board, but this was my vision for this year. I see my family. So I want to extend the olive branch. If you're watching, family, I want us all to try and stick to our, doing something. I think every month is a little much because it gets overwhelming. So maybe if we could do something quarterly, let's please do that. We try to make arrangements to do things. I send out the Evites and things crumble because somebody can't get there. They don't have transportation. And I was like, all y'all don't have transportation, that better be on your vision board, a car. Yeah. Money, we got to do things. We got to help each other. And we've got to give back into protect our community. And one of the brothers did a vision board, and I actually agree with his vision board that he wants to give more in the community and bring our community back in Southwest Atlanta. We want our community stronger. We want it back. And the only way we could do it is if we work together, not fight each other and pulling each other apart or chopping each other down. We need to work together and become stronger as a community. So that's what we're trying to do this year in 2020. So these are the things that people had on their vision board, and it was really informative. It wasn't people saying, I want to make a lot of money, or I want to travel, I want to lose weight. I mean, we all had meaning to our vision boards. So with that being said, I'm not going to hold you long. I'm almost on 15 minutes, but we really had a great time. I was relieved of stress. Remember, I said MS or any disease, stress will take you out. So with that being said, guys, you know your girl got to do her thing. So my cup of tea for today is relieving stress. Make your vision board and follow through. My cup of tea to you. Cheers. Oh, this is really good. I tried some new tea today. This one is chai ginger, and it's really good. It's kind of tart, but it's really good. So cheers. My cup of tea to you. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Sorry for coming on so late today. It's MLK's birthday, and I was running. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Love you. Take care. See you next time. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Like, love, and comment. And I will see you on Wednesday. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care. Bye-bye now.